Okay, this is Mrs. Niederklein. I'm going to do a quick video for teachers on how students can double check their second semester courses. I do have student permission to look at the schedule. So first off, they will go to My Schedule, and then they will click Matrix View. And from Matrix View, it has everything separated from semester 1 to semester 2. Black days are on top, white days are on bottom. And then if there is the split, that means first semester is this class, second semester is this class. The area of concern comes whenever there is a white box. If there is a white box at any point in time, that means they do not have a class scheduled and they need to make an appointment with me to get that fixed. In order to make an appointment with me, they can go to frontenac249.org. They then go to Lost McKercher, Students, FHS Counselor, scroll down to Make an Appointment, and they need to double check their schedule with what everything is. Anything that is not grayed out will be available, so they can click on that, put in first, last name. Topic to discuss would be, so 3B, no class scheduled for 3B or whatever it would be, and then go to the booking. So that is how it is done. Thank you.